Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and we got a log that looks like it should be firewood. I see there's a hole in it, too. I wonder if there's some bees in it or some ants in it. It looks like a drilled hole right there. How big is this thing on the big end? Not big. 14 inches. So we're going to get a 14-inch all the way to here, and then it gets funky here. So we're going to cut this into 2-inch boards and see what it amounts to. 60 board feet, and we have, I think, 5 more on the log deck. I'm probably going to do 2 or 3 today. That's all we're going to do today. So let's get this fired up and get going. Nothing special about today, except I think it's the first day of August. Wow, summer's clicking by and it's cool. Stickers. Haven't done that in a while. Okay, guys, that'll do it. We ended up getting 12 2x out of that. 2x whatever these are, 10s, 11s, whatever they turn out to be. Very nice lumber. I'm very pleased with it. And I'm sure the customer is going to be pleased with it as well. Again, we're just milling different sizes. We've done 1 inch, 1.5 inch, 2 inch, 8x8s, big 3-inch mantle. We might do a couple more 3 inches for him, and some live slabs. We only have 5 more logs of his, and this job is 100% done. So the Frontier Sawmill ran great again today. I've got her dialed right in. You know, you have the occasional hiccups, but there's like 3 times in a row we've been out here and just sailing right through it. Nothing came loose, nothing faltered, didn't run out of fuel, things like that. The stellite band that's on there, I cut 5 yesterday. We cut 3 today. And I had 4 or 5 on there. I think I might take it off and give it a quick sharpening. I've got a freshly sharpened one ready to go, along with 3 other brand new ones hanging up in there, and still another box of 5. Big fan of these Norwood stellite bands, stellite cut bands, they call them. Tipped every third with a piece of stellite, welded on. Very happy. So, guys, that'll do it for today. If you liked the video, smash that thumbs up button and leave me a comment. Hey, do you have a sawmill? One of the things I'd like to do is talk to you guys, obviously, about sawing. And if you own a sawmill or think about sawmill, what sawmill you think about getting? Big fan of the Frontier. If you're looking for a homeowner's sawmill, these Norwood sawmills by Frontier are pretty good. I like them. The Woodland Mills, I've not actually run one in person, but I've seen one run. My friend has one. He really likes it. What do you have? So, okay, guys, take care. We'll see you out here next time.